I think about me now and who I could have been. And then I picture all the perfect that we lived, till I cut the strings on your tiny violin. My mind's got my mind of its own right now, and it makes me hate me. I'll explode like a dynamite if I can't decide.
First of all, I will tell you the purpose of doing the big project. Rainwater has a neutrally acidic pH of 5.7. However, due to human activity, the gases released from storage react with raindrops when it rains, resulting in strong acid with a pH of less than 5. Acid rain is a result of gas emissions. When the gas rises into the air, when it reacts with water vapor, oxygen, and other chemicals to form acid rain. It is to know that acids such as sulfuric and nitric acid dissolve easily in small droplets of water and can form acid rain. There are many negative effects of acid rain. Acid rain affects soil and water, as well as killing plants and animals on land. It also changes the climate. Also, when the dry acid particles hit the ground, the acidifying nitric and sulfuric acids fall on the statue and buildings, damaging their surface. Acidic particles can corrode metal and cause point and stone to deteriorate more quickly. If it rains into rivers, lakes, and ponds, it can kill the quiet life that live in great day. Then, to find out the effects on humans can cause eye and throat irritation and respiratory problems. In addition, the students of our level school are the ones who will develop the future of their country in the future. So, by doing content information that will gain knowledge like this, it is intended to be useful for the next class of younger brothers and sisters. Now, formation of acid rain and its effects according to the title. Before presenting the content information on the formation of acid rain and the effects of acid rain, I would first like to present some content of the person who discovered acid rain. In 1852, Robert Angus Smith in Manchester, London found the relationship between acid rain and atmospheric pollution. Manchester was an industrial revolution city. He used the term acid rain in 1872. Born in Glasgow in 1817, Robert Angus Smith was initially destined to be a minister, but he was gradually drawn to chemistry, attending Thomas Graham lectures at Anderson University, and later enrolling as a student of Justus Liebig at the University of Gießen in Germany. Smith his first chemical post in Manchester in 1843. Much of his work over the next 20 years involved environmental issues. He wrote and lectured widely on air and water quality, as well as on sanitary and public health matters. When the Alkali Inspectorate was established in 1864, Smith was the obvious person to lead it. In 1872, he coined the term acid rain in his book Air and Rain.
Hello everyone, my name is Taylor. Now me and my friend Lila will explain about definition of acid rain and its formation. Acid rain is rain that is more acidic than it should be. Acid rain is a complicated problem affecting soil and water chemistry, as well as the life cycle of plants and animals on land and in the water. Acid rain is one of the consequences of air pollution. It occurs when emission from factory, car, or heating violent contact with the air in the atmosphere. This process also occurs naturally through volcanic erosion. This precipitation, which has a pH of less than 5, occurs primarily in highly industrialized areas with a high degree of pollution. However, they can also fall on land, sea, or lake far from their place of origin. The prominence of acid rain can be summarized in 4 steps. Number 1. Compounds like sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide are produced by anthropogenic sources, mainly burning fossil fuels or natural sources, volcanic erosion. Number 2. These gases rise into the atmosphere where they make and react with water vapor, oxygen, and other chemical substances, leading to a creating of acids. Number 3. Acids like sulfuric and nitric acid dissolve easily in small particles of water. This way they are carried by the wind to very distant places. Number 4. Acid precipitation, rain, fall, snow, or sediment fall over vast expanses, impacting the environment. Okay, Laila will continue to explain.
Hello everyone, I'm Laila. So, let's get started. Why does rain contain acidic substances? Acid rain can be interpreted as a form of precipitation that contains more acidic substances than usual. Normally, pure hot water has a pH of 7 and is free of acidity and alkalinity. Normal rainwater naturally has a slightly acidic pH of 5.6. However, rainwater in some parts of the world is less acidic than normal rainwater with a pH of less than 3. This is because of pollution from human activities. Human activities are the main cause of acid rain. Over the past few decades, humans have released various chemicals into the air, polluting the world atmosphere. The burning of fuels such as coal to generate electricity for power plants, as well as the exhaust gas of cars, trucks, and buses used by people, emit gases such as nitrogen oxide and sulfur oxide, which darken the air at night and cause acid rain. Acid rain can cause negative effects such as the death of melting fish, the deterioration of residential buildings, and acid rain can damage the ecosystem of living species. Therefore, acid rain is a very terrible natural disaster. The equation for how acid rain occurs can be described as follows. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen, which are chemical compounds, undergo chemical reactions when they are found in the atmosphere. The two compounds react with other chemicals, including water and oxygen in the air, and fall to the ground as rain. This process is called acid rain.
Hello everyone, I would like to talk about the double effect of acid rain with my friend. Firstly, I would like to talk about how the acid rain affects the atmosphere. The emission of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide come from human activity. Burning of fossil fuel vehicle exhaust fumes. A small fraction of emission is from natural processes, decay, vegetation, and volcano activity. The emission of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide diffuse into the atmosphere and dissolve in water, droplet in cloud, sulfuric acids and nitric acids respectively. Cloud containing the acids that droplet can then be transported by wind before precipitation occurs, creating acid rain through a process known as wet disposition. Some of the polluting particles may not weaken the salt in cloud water. Acid rain so instead return to as surface through dry disposition.
How does acid rain affect the water cycle? After being released for cloud air precipitation, acid rain reaches the air surface. A large fraction of it is transported to river and lake through surface drain on or by groundwater flow. Here, it mixes with the existing water and increases the acidity of the water body, with it drop in pH being particularly dramatic when large volume of rainfall under a relatively small water body. In addition to rainfall, acid rain can also be deposited on the atmosphere at acid low when temperatures are cold enough. This form of deposition can be particularly devastating to the natural environment as it will accumulate on the ground before sedimenting to release a light buoyant or acidic water into the surrounding landscape.
How does acid rain affect soil rest? Natural that are made out of limestone rock are vulnerable to erosion for acid rain at the glacier carbonate in limestone reacts to the acidic producing glacier sulfate or glacier nitrate are frozen products. The reaction releases the carbonate outside the wall. The acid rain may be hard enough to get damage to avoid daylight danger. Generally, carbon dioxide release from the reaction when under the atmosphere where its rate could be to an excess bigger warming. The disappear in pH carbon dioxide rate also affect the concentration of different heavy metals that are present in the surrounding water. For example, a more acidic environment allows aluminum to be more readily released from the soil into the surrounding water, whereas glacier become less readily available, so its concentration in the water is low. In concentration of some heavy metal in the water may make it thousand to thousand across the organism, and equally the reduction of some metals that may be crucial to an organism's survival has a major effect on the ecosystem.
How does acid rain affect human health? Acid rain tastes like clean rain, feed it and taste it. Even walking in acid rain or swimming in an acid lake is no more dangerous to people than walking or swimming in clean water. Breathing in air pollutant that cause acid rain can harm human health. Sulfur dioxide, SO2, nitrogen dioxide, NO2, particulate matter, and ozone can harm or damage our lungs. These effects are mostly seen in people with lungs due to respiratory disease, but healthy people can sometimes experience pain or difficulty breathing due to air pollution.
Affect all acid rain or man-made material. Acid rain is weak as though matter based almost any material exposed to the weather for the long period of time. Human-made material gradually deteriorate even when exposed to abundant rain, but acid rain speed at the process. Acid rain can wreck matter and cause marble stay, cause long time ago to lose their feature. This happens because marble is made of a compound called calcium carbonate, which can be dissolved by acid. Calcium carbonate is also found in limestone. Many buildings and monuments are made of marble and limestone and are damaged by acid rain. Repairing acid rain damage to buildings and monuments can cost billions of dollars. Historical monuments and buildings such as Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. can never be replaced.
Hello everyone, nice to meet you. I'm Fash. I would like to tell you about how to reduce acid rain. Free energy provision, quickest, large amount of pollutant that give acid rain. One important that you can take it to convert energy. You can do this in a number of ways. Number 1, turn on lights, computers, television, video games, and other electrical equipment once you are not using them. Number 2, encourage your parents to buy equipment that you love electricity, including light, air conditioners, heaters, refrigerators, and machines. Such equipment must have the energy star level. Try to limit the use of air conditioning. Number 3, ask your parents to adjust the thermostat, the device used to control the temperature in your home. When you go on vacation, driving car and trucks also produce large amount of nitrogen oxides, which get acid rain. To help cut down on air pollution from cars, you can carpool or take public transportation, such as bus and train. Also ask your parents to walk or bike when you do in nearby to a fresh house instead of driving.
Hello guys, I'm Ivano and I'm gonna tell you all about the conclusion of acid rain with my friend. Formation of acid rain and its effect were researched and studied, so we can the following knowledge along with experience and difficulty. Rain is one of the important needs in life. To supply all living things need water to supply soil to humans. Rain is the one of the sort that provide us with water, yet impulse of watering has become a hazard. It is so because all air pollution by acid gas from factory, car and home. Rain is beginning to be dangerous to all living creatures. This rain is known as acid rain.
Acid gases are created from fossil fuels such as iron or coal are burned in factory, power station, and also in our own home. The majority of these acid gases are blown into the sky, therefore mix with the clouds, which can cause rain or snow, sleet, fog, mist, or hail to turn more acidic.
Air pollution is a big issue today concerned in the heart of the world. Air pollution can travel over long distances. When the acid gases are released into the air, they travel high up in the sky, then pushed by strong winds, so that they can easily reach to other countries.
Small particles or debris found inside of the air pollution are one of the main causes to human health problems from acid rain. Intense acidity particles are released by diesel engine fuel, trucks and cars.
One eye-beating air pollution particle can easily enter the human body, which can cause breathing problems and over time cancer. If we drink for water in the thought, it could be polluted with acid rain can therefore damage our brain.
Fine rain is acidic. It's very dangerous. It is full onto tree, building, lakes and farmland. Sometimes rain is not as acidic and may not be as harmful. Yet, if it is, it's a danger to the environment.
Acid rain has a terrible effect on the water life. It falls into vapor and strengthens into days. Sunlight in the water. Some fish and plants may end up dying because they cannot survive in acidic water.
Acid rain has a multitude of effects on humans, animals, and the environment. Breathing problems, asthma, effects in children and adults alike. In addition, river and ocean gas polluted, which high contact or affect reducing in death of plant, fish, and other sea creatures.
Measures should be taken to avoid air pollution by industries. Environmentally friendly methods need to be adopted by everyone. Both the public and government need to realize the seriousness of the issues and work together to solve the problem of acid rain. Both the people and the government understand the seriousness of these issues, and we need to work together to solve the acid rain problem.
Reference. Online materials.
This is time for acknowledgement. As a conclusion, we'd like to thanks to you all. In the accomplishment of this project successfully, many people have bestowed upon us our blessing and that have blessed both. This time, we will utilize this to thank all the people who have been concerned with project. First of all, we would like to thank all the relevant teachers who have established Lightning for Future Online School. Then, we would like to express my gratitude to the school principals who manage and administer the school in an orderly manner. In addition, we are proud and grateful to all the teachers who come and teach with the full dedication. We wish to express our deep gratitude and sincere thanks to the principal, Siakin Lee, Lightning for Future Online School, for his encouragement and for all the facility that he provides for this project work. We sincerely appreciate this magnanimity by taking us into his fold, for which we remain indebted to him. We extend our hearty thanks to Siakin Lee, chemistry teacher who guided us to the successful completion of this project. We take this opportunity to express our sincere gratitude for him, invaluable guidance, constant encouragement, immense motivation, which has sustained our efforts at all the stage of this project work. Finally, special thanks to all the members of S23 and S1C who contributed to this project. So, thank you to all of you who watched our group's presentation until the end. Thanks for watching.